Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the best deals I grabbed over at HEB for the week. So I was able to get all of these items for just over $17, which comes out to 56 cents per item, which I thought was pretty awesome. I want to say thank you to all of you who have been so supportive of the HEB videos. From the feedback I'm getting, you want to continue to see these videos. So what I ask is if you know someone who might be interested in HEB, please share this with them, because as long as I'm seeing interest in these videos, I will keep doing them for you all. All right, so a couple of things. I'm going to walk you through the deals that I did at HEB. Then I'm going to put pictures up on the screen of other deals that you might be interested in that I didn't purchase for my family. And then at the very end of the video, I'm going to include pictures of all the clearance items that I saw while I was in the store. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please hit that red subscribe button. Also, if you hit that little bell, you will get a notification when I post a video. That way you never miss a deal. All right, so let me talk with you about what I think are the easiest, simplest deals this week. I'm going to start with these Green Valley beans. These are regularly priced at $1.39 each, but there is a buy one, get one free digital coupon that makes each of these bags just 69 cents each. Now, this is not a product that I have tried before, so I am interested to see how they compare to like the canned beans. Speaking of, there's a deal on canned beans as well. There's a coupon on my digital app for $4 off 4 products, and there are a bunch of different products that qualify. I found the least expensive product to get the best deal, and that's on these Bush's Beans Sidekicks. These are priced at $1.59. So when you buy 4 of them, that's $6.36. But that $4 digital coupon will come off, making it $2.36 for all 4, or just 59 cents each. Again, not a product that I've tried before, so interested to see if that's any good. Another deal, and this was a deal that was good last week. It's good again this week. What I'm noticing with HEB is a lot of the deals run for 2 weeks now. The Skinner pasta, it's normally 98 cents, but there is a coupon making them 2 for $1. So that's just 50 cents per package of pasta, which seems like a good deal. Another deal I grabbed this week, easy deal, was on the Mrs. Buttersworth products. So there is a digital coupon for buying the syrup and you get the pancake mix for free. So the syrup is priced at $2.77. The pancake mix is $2.44. When that digital coupon comes off, you'll pay $2.77 for both, or just $1.38 each. Another super easy deal this week, and this one comes around every once in a while. It's on these Bic Soleil Razors. So this package right here is just $3.27, and there's a $3 digital coupon making this 3-pack of razors just 27 cents. I also grabbed these Gogurts. So these Gogurts are priced at $2.42, but there is a digital coupon for $1.50 off too. And so you will pay $3.34, but there is an offer on the Ibotta app for $1.50 back when you buy 2. So that makes your final cost 92 cents per box. And I think that's a great price if this is a product that you use. If you're not using Ibotta yet, now is a fantastic time to grab it. Grab it using my referral code, because when you use that code and scan your first receipt, you're going to get $10 back. So it's an awesome time to grab Ibotta if you're not already using it. While I was at the store, I did grab a few more Ibotta offers. So another Ibotta offer was on this Chobani Zero Sugar. So there is a digital coupon in the HEB app for $1.75 off when you buy 3 of these. These are priced at $1.22. So $1.22 times 3 is $3.66. Minus that $1.75 digital, you're gonna pay $1.91, but in the Ibotta app, there is a buy one, get one free offer, but they value that at $1.49. So you're gonna get $1.49 back on Ibotta, making all 3 of these yogurts 42 cents or just 14 cents each. So a great price on yogurt. Again, a new product for me to try. So this is not a new product for me to try. I have had these before. These are priced at $1.28, and there were 2 different apps that gave me a rebate on this. So the Ibotta app had a 35-cent rebate, and the Fetch Rewards app had a 60-cent rebate. So I paid a total of 33 cents for these Sour Punches, and you could do that twice according to Fetch Rewards, so I got 2 of them. If you're not using Fetch Rewards yet, another fantastic app, grab it using my referral code because you'll get additional points back when you scan your first receipt. And I also have a full tutorial on the Fetch Rewards app. If that's something you're interested in watching, I can link it for you below in the video description box. Another simple deal to grab this week is on the Comet Rice. This is the 28-ounce box. It's priced at $1.78, and there is a 75-cent digital on the HEB app, making it just $1.03. So again, if any of these deals seem like a great price to you, but it's not a product that you use, it might be a great idea to grab some items and donate to your local food bank. That's a lot of times what I do. People will ask me, hey, I know you don't eat that. What are you doing with some of the food that you buy? Well, I either donate it to nonprofits or I donate it to family and friends if it's not something that my family would use. All right, a couple more deals, and this one made me happy. I love fresh fruits and vegetables. Yes, it is one orange. It is a Naval Orange, and it has to be from Chile. So there is a Shopkick offer for 200 kicks back, which is 80 cents back when you buy a Naval Orange from Chile. Okay, so I bought this orange at 50 cents. I got 80 cents back on Shopkick, making it free and a 30-cent moneymaker. And as soon as that offer processed, it came back for me. So next time I'm at the grocery store, I could grab another one and I would make another 30 cents buying it. Shopkick is another fantastic app that gives you cash back. If you want a full tutorial on that app, I have one that you can check out. I will drop a link to that tutorial in the video description box. Another simple deal is on these Airwicks. These are priced at $1.47. Now there's a couple different ways you can do this. There's a digital coupon for getting one of these free. So you could clip that and get this completely free. What I chose to do is use the $1.75 off coupon that I have linked for you guys in the printable document. That made this free and a 28-cent moneymaker because it did take off the full $1.75 for the coupon. Another great deal is on these L'Oreal Elvives. These are priced at $3.49 each. I purchased 4 of them, so that's a total of $13.96. There is a basket coupon for $4 off a $10 L'Oreal purchase. That coupon was a digital HEB coupon that can be combined with manufacturer's coupons. So I had 2 of the $4 off 2 manufacturer coupons that I got on coupons.com. I also have that linked for you guys in the video description box. So I paid a total of $1.96 for all 4 of these, or just 49 cents each. Now, I will tell you, I used that $4 off 2 coupon at Walmart with 0 issues earlier in the week. For some reason, when I used it at HEB, the cash register didn't like it, so the cashier had to manually enter that coupon in. So just a heads up on that. Another great deal using basket coupons is on the Irish Spring products. There is a basket coupon for $5 off a $10 purchase, and these soaps are included in that. So I purchased 3 of these 3 packs at $2.22. I purchased 1 of the larger packs. Let me show you really quick. So one of the 8-count packs, this is priced at $3.97. So that got me to the $10 total that I needed to spend. So $5 came off at the register for that $5 off 10 coupon. I then had a $1 off coupon that applied to the larger package. That was out of this past week's coupon inserts. So I paid $4.63 for all of these, or just $1.15 each. So that seemed like a great price for soap. I grabbed cheese sticks again this week. This time I grabbed the frozen cheese sticks. These are priced at $3.29 each. So I purchased 2 of them. That's $6.58. Now on Swagbucks, there is an offer for $5 back when you buy 2. So that made these $1.58 total, or just 79 cents per package, which is a great deal. So Swagbucks is another cashback app. I have a complete tutorial on that one as well. I just posted last week, I believe. So if you want to know how that one works, you can check out that tutorial as well. I will put a link to that in the video description box. So again, all of this came out to just over $17, which is 72% savings, which is pretty awesome for an HEB haul. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm happy to help you, and I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. Thanks.